Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 English words that you should use every single day. These words are simple, useful, and will make your English sound more natural. So, grab a notebook, and let's start. First word is actually. The first word is actually. We use actually when we want to correct something or give more information. It means in fact. Examples. I thought he was angry, but actually he was just tired. I'm not from New York. I'm actually from Boston. Try it today. If someone says something wrong, you can say, actually, I think that's not right. Second word is maybe. The next word is maybe. This word shows possibility. We use it when we are not 100% sure. Examples. Maybe I'll go to the party. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. Try it today. Use maybe when someone asks about your plans. Third word is really. Word number 3 is really. This is a great word to show emotion or to make something stronger. Examples. I'm really tired today. That's really interesting. Try it today. Add really before adjectives. Happy, tired, excited, etc. Fourth word is sure. The fourth word is sure. It means yes or I agree. It's a nice, short word to answer someone politely. Examples. Can you help me? Sure. Do you want coffee? Sure, why not? Try it today. Say sure instead of just yes. Fifth word is always. Next is always. We use it when we do something every time. Examples. I always brush my teeth in the morning. She's always late. Try it today. Talk about a habit using always. Sixth word is sometimes. Now let's talk about the opposite. Sometimes. This means not always but occasionally. Examples. I sometimes eat fast food. Sometimes, I forget my keys. Try it today. Use sometimes to talk about small habits. Seventh word is kind. Word number 7 is kind. It means nice or caring. Examples. He's a very kind person. Thank you, you're so kind. Try it today. Say, that was kind of you, when someone helps you. Eighth word is probably. Now we have probably. It means something is likely or will probably happen. Examples. I'll probably go to bed early. He's probably busy now. Try it today. Use it when you're not 100% sure, but more than maybe. Ninth word is great. Word number 9 is great. It means very good. Examples. That's a great idea. You did a great job. Try it today. Say, great, when you like something. 10th word is exactly. The final word is exactly. We use it to agree or to show something is 100% correct. Examples. That's exactly what I mean. Yes, exactly. Try it today. Say, exactly, when someone says what you were thinking. Now let's practice using these words in real-life examples. I'll say a sentence, and you try to repeat it after me. Let's go. 1. I'm really happy today. 2. I'll probably go for a walk. 3. Can you help me? Sure. 4. She's always late. 5. That was kind of you. 6. Actually, I'm from another city. 7. He's exactly right. 8. Maybe we can meet tomorrow. 9. That's a great idea. 10. I sometimes drink coffee at night. Repeat them again. Speak slowly and clearly. Great job, everyone. Now you know 10 useful English words that you can use every day. Let's review them one more time. Actually, maybe, really, sure, always, sometimes, kind, probably, great, exactly. Challenge for you. Try to use at least 5 of these words in one conversation today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.